Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. So for example, the screen does not respond to your touches. You can try to do it just by pressing the volume down button and the power button together. Both are located on the right side, which is of course the combination for the screenshot. So let's try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together and keep pressing all the time. So keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. And within 10 seconds, we should have the black screen. We've got it, the developer's logo, which is good, which simply means that our device will be restarted in a second and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.